It's a human sign when things go wrong, when the scent of her lingers and temptation strong, into the boundary of each married mind. Sweet deceit comes calling, and negative